In this video, we are discussing the mapping of W equal to Z square. How the images in the Z plane is mapped onto in the W plane by this mapping W equal to Z square. Let's see the mapping W equal to Z square. Let Z equal to the complex variable x plus iy and W equal to W is f of z, that is equal to u plus iv. Therefore, W equal to Z square implies u plus iv equal to x plus iy the whole square. So this implies x square minus y square plus I 2xy. Okay, comparing on both sides we get the real part u equal to x square minus y square and v equal to 2xy. Next, we are taking some curves from the z plane and then see how under this mapping the curves are mapped onto the w plane. For that, first of all, I am considering the straight line x equal to c in the z plane. Okay, we can take straight lines, parabolas, circles, etc. Okay, basically we are considering the simple curves. So here, first of all, considering the straight line x equal to c. When x equal to c, then our u becomes c square minus y square and y square becomes c square minus u. Okay, from first equation we get y square equal to c square minus u. Next, considering the second equation, that is v equal to 2xy, that becomes v equal to 2cy. Okay, here our aim is to eliminate the variable x and y from the equations 1 and 2 because we want the image in the w plane. W plane, the axes are u and v. So here we want to eliminate x and y by any methods. So here I am going to square the equation number 4. Then we get v square equal to 4c square y square. Okay, from u we got that y square equal to c square minus u. So substituting in equation we get v square equal to 4c square into c square minus u. Okay, that is equal to 4c square into u minus c square, which represents a parabola with a vertex c square 0 and focus 0 0, because we know the equation of parabola as y square equal to 4ax. Okay, y square equal to 4ax, the focus 4a, something like that. Okay, focus on 0 0 and vertex at a0. Okay, similarly here v square equal to minus 4c square into u minus c square represents a parabola with vertex c square 0 and focus 0 0. Okay, this is the line x equal to c in the z plane. It maps onto a parabola which is opening in the left side with a parabola vertex at z square 0 and with the focus 0 0. So the straight line x equal to c is mapped onto a parabola in the w plane. Similarly, next case we are considering the straight line y equal to k. Here also we want to eliminate x and y from the equations 1 and 2. So u becomes x square minus k square. From that, x square equal to k square minus u, and our v becomes 2xk. Okay, here also I am squaring this. So v square equal to 4x square k square, which implies v square equal to 4k square into u plus k square. Okay, this represents a parabola with a vertex minus k square 0 and focus 0 0. So the straight line y equal to k is mapped onto a parabola with openings to the right side with the vertex minus k square 0 and focus 0 0. Okay, on both cases the straight lines are mapped onto the parabolas. Next we are going to the problems based on this linear transformation or mapping W equal to Z square. Okay, find the image of the interior of the region bounded by x equal to 1, y equal to 0 and y equal to x under the transformation W equal to Z square. Okay, here W equal to Z square means u equal to x square minus y square and v equal to 2xy. Next, we are going to find the image of the interior of the region bounded by x equal to 1, y equal to 0 and y equal to x. Here we are finding the images of x equal to 1, then y equal to 0 and then y equal to x. So the interior of the region means what is the images we got from x equal to 1, y equal to 0 and y equal to x. So that's interior portion will be the image in the W plane. Okay, first of all we are considering x equal to 1. When x equal to 1, our u becomes 1 minus y square and v becomes 2y. From that we get y equal to v by 2. Here also we want to eliminate the variables x and y. So u equal to 1 minus v square by 4. Okay, rewriting like this, we get u equal to 4 minus v square by 4 implies 4u equal to 4 minus v square. Rearranging the terms, we get v square equal to 4 minus 4u, that is v square equal to minus 4 into u minus 1, which represents a parabola. So x equal to 1 corresponds to a parabola. Similarly, what is the image of y equal to 0? When y equal to 0, u equal to x square and v equal to 0. v equal to 0 means the complete u axis. Here u equal to x square. X square is always positive, so u is mapped on the positive u axis. So the images lies on the positive u axis. So y equal to 0 maps onto the positive u axis. Similarly, y equal to x implies u equal to 0 and v equal to 2 square. U equal to 0 means the complete v axis. And what about v? V equal to 2x square, that which x square means which is always positive. So positive v axis. So y equal to x mapped onto the positive v axis. Then the interior of the region bounded by x equal to 1, y equal to 0 and y equal to x is the region bounded by what are the images? Parabola, positive u axis and positive v axis. So the image will be like this. This is the interior portion bounded by x equal to 1, y equal to 0 and y equal to x. So corresponds to x equal to 1 we have this parabola, and corresponds to y equal to 0 we have the positive u axis, and corresponds to y equal to x we have the positive v axis. So the image is the region bounded by this parabola, positive u axis and positive v axis. Okay. Next problem, find the image of y equal to root of 4 minus x square under the transformation w equal to z square. Here also u equal to x square minus y square and v equal to 2xy. Then y equal to root of 4 minus x square is given. From that we get y square equal to 4 minus x square. Okay. So u equal to x square minus y square becomes u equal to x square minus, in place of y square substitute 4 minus x square, that is 2x square minus 4. Next we want to eliminate x. Okay, we are searching for the image in the w plane, so we want to eliminate the variable x. For that 2x square equal to u plus 4, that is x square equal to u plus 4 by 2. Next we have v equal to 2xy. Okay, squaring v equal to 2xy, we have v square equal to 4x square y square. Then substitute for x and y, we get 4 into u plus 4 divided by 2 and into 4 minus x square. Again substitute for x, then 4 into u plus 4 by 2 into 4 minus u plus 4 by 2. Okay, solving this we get 16 minus u square, that is v square equal to 16 minus u square. Arranging the equation we get u square plus v square equal to 16, which represents a circle centered at the origin and with the radius 4. So y equal to root of 4 minus x square is mapped onto a circle with the radius 4 and center at the origin. Next problem, find the image of the region 2 less than mod z less than 3 and mod argument of z less than pi by 4 under the mapping w equal to z square. Here we are solving this problem using the polar coordinates because it is easy when compared to the Cartesian coordinates. Okay, in polar coordinates, let z equal to r e raised to I theta and w equal to capital E raised to I phi. Then w equal to z square implies capital R e raised to I phi equal to small r e raised to I theta the whole square, which means r square into e raised to I 2 theta. So comparing on both sides, we have capital R equal to small r square and phi equal to 2 theta. Next, we are moving to the conditions. Here 2 less than mod z less than 3 implies 4 less than mod z square less than n, because here we are squaring this equality. In equality we get 4 less than mod z square less than 9. What is z square? Here w equal to z square, so we get 4 less than mod w less than 9, which represent an annulus with radii 4 and 9. Similarly, the next condition, mod argument of z less than pi by 4. Argument of z means z equal to r e raised to I theta. Here the angle is theta, so mod theta is less than pi by 4. That is minus pi by 4 less than theta less than pi by 4. So this is the image. Okay, here we want to eliminate theta. So what is theta? Phi equal to 2 theta. So the expression will become minus pi by 2 less than 2 theta less than pi by 2. That is minus pi by 2 less than phi less than pi by 2. So the images are argument of omega less than pi by 2. Okay, therefore the transformation is like this. 2 less than mod z less than 3 and argument of theta less than pi by 4 means this portion, and this portion is mapped on to the annulus 4 less than mod w less than 9 and argument of w is less than pi by 2. So this is the region.